How to streak on Snapchat app. If you're wondering how to start and maintain a streak on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to keep those streaks alive. So let's dive right in. So before we get started, let's quickly talk about what a Snapchat streak actually is. A Snapchat streak is when you and a friend send snaps to each other for 3 consecutive days or more. Once you've built a streak, you'll see a fire emoji next to your friend's name along with a number that shows how many days your streak has lasted. To start a streak, what you need to do is open your Snapchat and simply click a snap and simply send it to your friend, and they need to send one back within 24 hours. Simply send it to your friend like this, and as you can see, they have sent it me a Snapchat back, so I have one streak going on. Once both of you send snaps back and forth, then the fire emoji will appear next to your friend's name and your streak is officially started. Now that you've started a streak, the goal is to keep it going. To maintain your streak, you both need to send snaps to each other every single day. No gaps allowed. If you miss a day, your streak will be broken, and make sure you send a snap to your friend even if it's just a quick selfie or a photo of your surrounding. Just make sure it's a photo or video snap, not a chat message. And that's it. That's how you can simply create and start and maintain a Snapchat streak. It's all about consistency. Just make sure you're sending snaps every day.